piece should we look for next? Number 4, the ears. How ears?
Underestimated millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow
First national AS test emergency alert system CNN
from
HD.
any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S.
And keep in mind, it is only a test. After that, Don Lemon will be in this seat. I'll see you tomorrow.
Clubhouse ears.
This is a weather bulletin from the St. Joseph's Communications Center. A tornado watch is in effect for the St. Joseph and Buchanan County area from now until 8 p.m. Repeating, a tornado watch is in effect for the St. Joseph, Buchanan County area from now until 8 p.m.
Gosh, but how are we gonna get to them?
Well, to get them, we can take the clubhouse rocket.
Great idea, Minnie. Come on, co-pilot.